tropical season, but you can see we are clear and up and down that I-95 corridor, which when you're talking about a big travel holiday like Labor Day, that's a great thing. This is, believe it or not, the remnants of Idalia, but far enough away that not seeing any issues. What I am seeing, though, on the radar, what's amounting to maybe a few sprinkles trying to slide on from the northwest, so keeping an eye on, say, from Passaic County in through the Hudson Valley, Ulster County, and the New York State Thruway. You may be picking up a few sprinkles. Otherwise, this is what we have. Fair skies for the most part. This is the view from Jersey City, which is under the heat advisory. Manhattan is not, but we could see that change in the next couple days, as heat will be our big talker and our big concern, with, believe it or not, humidity continuing to go up the next few days along with the temperatures. 74 degrees out there currently. Our dew point's at 66, so we're already feeling that mugginess back in the picture after a nice break this weekend. But look what it does, that heat and humidity combination just making it feel that much more hot. 91 degrees by 3 o'clock, but it'll feel like the mid-90s. So that's definitely a level. You want to stay hydrated, take it easy, watch the kids, watch the pets, and notice how we hang on to all of that warmth overnight. So not much of a cool down. When we finally get that cool down, really not until Friday, Saturday. That's when this front comes. It does bring some showers and thunderstorms, but it'll take the temperatures down by about 10 degrees. We don't necessarily need the rain. We're in pretty good shape. Of course, we've been talking about the brush fire or wildfire in South Jersey, Orange County. One spot that definitely needs a little bit more rain, but we're also looking at temperatures in the long run finally getting back closer to average, even a little bit below average as we get into middle of September. Not this week, though. 91 for the high today, 74 overnight tonight, and if the kids are head back to school tomorrow, it is going to be toasty at the bus stop. Make sure they have plenty of water in that water bottle.
But it's going to be hot.
It is going to be hot. We actually do have some showers surviving and pushing through here, so just adding to the humidity, but a little bit of thunder there in parts of Ulster County through the Hudson Valley, now pushing in close to the city, so you may get some sprinkles here. But this may be it for a few days, where we're tracking a much better chance for more widespread showers and storms by the end of the week. Talk about its relationship to the heat, too, in the 10-day.
Maria, thank you.
We're to burro hopping with the Shakespeare. That's really cool. But, of course, Central Park, home to a very rare official climate reporting site, Belvedere Castle. It's been the reporting site officially since 1920, but Central Park's records go back to 1868. So it's a long period of record, and talk about records, 97 is the record for the date. So we may fall short in that regard, but you can see everywhere is going to be pretty hot. In some areas, pretty close to record highs, like LaGuardia, JFK, even Newark, as well as Bridgeport, all within a few degrees of a record high. Regardless of whether or not we get to a record, it is going to be hot. We have plenty of humidity that goes up through the day. By 3 o'clock, 90 degrees, but already feeling like the low 90s, topping out into the mid and upper 90s at times. So take it easy, stay hydrated, all things we didn't have to really worry about too much in August, where we didn't have one 90-degree day. We're in for a stretch here. And certainly you don't get much relief overnight, where temperatures are just falling into the mid-70s. On top of the heat story, we've got some showers trying to push on through, and they're definitely holding together, even some lightning through Ulster County. But right along to the west here of the Thruway, some pockets of rainfall, but also into northwest New Jersey. Also maybe a bit of lightning as this begins to come on through, but some brief heavy rainfall through Sussex County. And this one lining up right along the Turnpike and eventually the Garden State Parkway. Nothing terribly heavy, but you can see some of those showers near Newark and some of the cloud cover off to the west as we look from Queens right now. So you may need that umbrella briefly, but it's just going to add to the humidity. 74 right now, 91 for the high today, mild and muggy to say the least. Keeping all of that warmth overnight tonight down to 74 degrees, and keeping in mind a lot of kids are back to school tomorrow, at least this week, and this is how it's going to be at the bus stop. So make sure the kids are definitely